everyone, this is Dr. Ward here, and today we are going to talk about thoracic spine rotation. Alright, so this is a very common movement restriction we see in our office, and it's hugely important in our golfers. Okay, so we're going to show you two exercises that are going to help increase that rotation. The first one we're going to do is called reach back. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a mat on the floor. Your knees are going to be under your hips, just like we're in the quadruped position, right? Hands are underneath our shoulders. Our neck is in a nice neutral position. You're going to get one hand on one side and put it behind the head. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start rotated towards it, and then you're going to come up. And what we're focusing on is just using our scapula and our thoracic spine to do that movement. So we're not wanting to get too much arm in it. It's really using that scapula. So we're going to do it from the other side too. We're going to come here and then come up. Just like that. All right? The next one we're going to do is called open books. So you're going to get on the floor on your side. Arms are going to come out right here. You're stacked on your shoulders. You're nice and straight. And what you're going to do is you're going to open up your arm, just like an open book, right? That's what we call an open book. Come back. Right there. It's where you can rotate the most without cheating. Just like so. You're coming up. Right there, that's about where I can go before I start leaning. That's where we want to be. So, to recap, we have the reach backs and the open book. These are great for thoracic spine rotation. Move free units.